Hi and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be covering the 7 tips for you to get the most out of the Healthy Eating and Happy Living Summit. It's running from August 24th to 30th in 2020, but these tips also work for any event, talk, masterclass, or workshop that you might attend in person or online. Since you're spending the time and money on your personal development, you might as well make it count. So you definitely want to stick around for all 7 tips. If we haven't met yet, hi, I'm Jaime at Enlightened Spoon, and I'll be one of the 32 speakers at the upcoming Healthy Eating and Happy Living Summit. So you want to watch out for my talk. It's all about how to create time in your busy day to do all the things with just 5 minutes daily. Check the summit links in the description below and come sign up to join us for free. In next week's video, I'll give you more of a sneak peek into my summit talk. And on this channel, you'll get nutrition, fitness, and lifestyle tips just like today's. And other times you'll get yoga and meditation practices. All tools to help you stress less, yet accomplish more. So hit that like button and subscribe if you want more like this. So, in my last video, we talked to Brianna Wilkerson, host of the upcoming Healthy Living and Happy Living Summit, about what to expect and how we can benefit from the 32 talks. And it's all covering nutrition, exercise, stress management, sleep, digestion, toxic load, mindset, and healthy habits for a healthy and happy life. I'll put that link in the cards here. What this summit or any other online summit is essentially an online version of a conference. A group of experts gathered together giving talks around a certain theme. And in this case, it's healthy eating and happy living. So, this Healthy Eating and Happy Living Summit 2020 is free to watch for the duration of the event, but paid for if you want lifetime access and a bunch of extras and bonuses that you will get. Since you're taking the time to listen to some of these talks, you want to ensure that you're making the most out of your time. I'm all about productivity and time efficiency. So, with that being said, here are my 7 tips to get the most out of this summit or any other event, masterclass, or webinar that you might attend. Number 1, bring an open mind. Sometimes we might have heard some of the themes or topics before, but often it takes just that one person to say a similar thing in a slightly different way before it actually clicks and unlocks something new in the understanding of our own behaviors. So you want to bring an open mind, and rather than thinking of, this is not going to work for me, reframe it to, how can I make this work for me? See what a subtle difference in mindset shift that makes to make you more open to exploring and engaging. Number 2, schedule time in your diary. There will be about 5 talks launched daily, between 10 to 20 minutes in length each. So set aside the time each day, schedule it in your diary, so you make the time to actually watch these videos daily during the summit. Even if you don't have an hour a day, you might not even want to watch all the videos, right? So you want to look through the lineup and pick the 1 or 2 talks daily that really interest you, and then spend that time, take that 20 or 30 minutes of your day to watch your preferred talks. Number 3, turn off all notifications on devices. Along with making the time to watch the talks, you want to dedicate the headspace to focusing on them. So you want to turn off all the notifications on your devices so you can really watch the talks and not multitask as you're watching. Number 4, close all other browser tabs. Along the same lines, you want to close down all your other browser tabs so the only open tab is the screen that you're watching. You're simply removing all other distractions in front of you. Number 5, bring your notebook or journal to take notes. Writing things down helps you understand and retain the information more deeply. It's also the difference between passively listening to a talk versus actively engaging in thinking of, how can I make this work for me? Do you do this when you're at any in-person or online events? I'd love to know whether you stay actively engaged in the learning process or whether you're more of the passive observer. There's no judgment. We're all different as learners, and I'd love to know how you approach this in the comments below. Number 6, engage with the speakers or other attendees. Whether it's online or in person, it's always a good idea to talk to not only the speakers, but some of the other attendees too. You're all there for the same reason, so you know that this is a group of people with similar interests. You can share your experience, inspiration, or thoughts from the various topics discussed. And who knows what else that might spark in your life from there. This particular summit has a Facebook group for all participants and speakers to hang out in. So just like at an in-person event, you might walk up to the few speakers you really enjoyed to engage in dialogue with. You can do the same at this Healthy Eating and Happy Living Summit. So spend time in the Facebook group asking any questions you might have, make friends in the group, as some of the other attendees could actually become your accountability buddies too. Number 7, include reflection time. You want to spend another hour or so at the weekend or at the end of the summit or event reflecting on what are your key takeaways. Pick the one thing that really resonated with you and think of how you will put this in action for the next few weeks. Because truthfully, how often have you walked away from an event or a conference feeling inspired and fired up, but then not really putting any plan and action to what you've actually learned? Cut to a few weeks later, and life is back to where it was before. If you don't take the time to reflect and think about how you'll make a change in your life, well, then nothing changes if nothing changes. So to recap, 1, bring an open mind. 2, schedule time in your diary to actually watch the talks. 3, airplane mode or turn off all notifications on devices. 4, close all other browser tabs. 5, bring a notebook or journal to take notes. 6, engage with the other speakers and attendees. And 7, schedule time to reflect at the end of the event. To find out more about this Healthy Eating and Happy Living Summit, it's free to attend during the week of August 24th to 30th or pay for lifetime access, including lots of extra bonuses. I'll put both links in the description below. So, am I going to see you there? Tell me in the comments below. In my next video, I'll give you a little sneak peek into what my talk is going to be about: creating time in your busy day to do all the things with just 5 minutes daily. So you want to hit that subscribe button and bell right next to it so you know when it drops next week. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and check out these other videos for more nutrition, fitness, and lifestyle tips on how to flow through your busy life with more grace, ease, and flow. And I'll see you in the next one.